Welcome back to another video of renovating this old apartment. We forgot to start this video since we were so into it, ripping all the old wallpaper in the living room. If you haven't seen that video, make sure to check that out. And in this video, we are gonna be ripping the last wallpaper of the entrance and the hallway. So let's get started and get this beautiful flowery wallpaper of those walls so we can do some fix up, since there's a bit of a problem here there that you will see later on. But let's first get started by removing the wallpaper. That is not the best.
Sticks good. That's some wood.
This?
Nice.
Wow. That, I think, was the best removal yet.
The dirty fingerprint is gone.
That is just satisfaction. Why couldn't the whole house be like this? We'd be done in like no time. Oh goodness. Look at that, look at that, look at that girl. Look at that girl. Amazing. Oh, that satisfaction. I don't know if you can see it, but
You can really feel it.
wow.
Excuse me?
What? Say what?
That was like, no one's gonna notice that, right?
How would they know? It's like the TikTok, like, they're gonna know. But how would they know? They're not gonna know.
Oh my goodness. All of it is falling off. Fine.
That looks so much better.
Let's be bright.
So as you can see, we have removed all the wallpaper from the hallway, well, this entrance, I guess, and the hallway towards the kitchen. And we did get, as you saw, we used it already in the kitchen. So we've gotten this one, the wallpaper stripper, and we're gonna be applying it. Luckily, as you saw, this whole wall came off like no problem, and barely any wallpaper on this side, so it should go pretty quick. So let's apply the liquid, get it all off, and ready for the fix-ups. So while David is applying the wallpaper stripper, he had some questions about some things here and there, why they are, like a little piece down there. I'm gonna do a close-up so you can see it. There, the boiler things are sticking out. So there is a trend on TikTok which is called "We listen and we don't judge." Restoring an old apartment, an abandoned apartment, a house, whatever, that someone else has lived before is literally a thing. Like, we look, like we watch, and we don't judge. Same thing as we like listen and don't judge. So we pretty much just look at it, don't judge it. There might have been a reason for it, but we don't judge.
Maybe it's holding up the whole building. You know?
Maybe, but yeah. Let me know if you know this trend, like we listen, we don't judge things. So yeah, it is pretty much like we watch and we don't judge. We just do our work, try to get around it and fix it. But I am loving how easily, this wallpaper stripper is working. It's just like, well, here you can see there's the old one, but where is just the new one, comes off so easily. Satisfying.
What else is here?
Like, look at that go.
This is nothing?
Yeah, this whole wall has nothing. Literally, this whole wall. I guess it's a tiny piece. So pretty much only wall was this one
Okay, what's your
and that one. Yeah, I don't want any, like... Because this paper one is the one that does not come off, otherwise like so stuck on. I mean, I guess that's why they call it wallpaper stripper liquid. It's doing its job. I'm just amazed about it for some reason.
First time using it?
First time using it, yeah. Woo! I don't know. Oh, so satisfying.
It can still smell.
Satisfying.
So we have minor problem. Here was a cloth stuck in, so this looks like a ventilation hole. Used to be a hole here to ventilate, I guess, the entrance here, this hallway, and they tried to fix it. So they have put quite a loose stuff, but I'm just going to try to put some bricks in here. There's some metal behind to hold this in, and just cover it up nicely with cement. Hopefully smooth it out a bit and make it a bit more invisible. Here we probably need a little cover, but other than that, there's not much more I need to do with cement. There's some just here and there, some holes that are too deep, too big for plaster to go in. Plaster can only do a certain amount, and cement can do the rest of it. So
yeah, I think this is the worst.
this is really bad, yeah.
And then we also have
That
this
also
piece.
all needs to be repaired, yes.
Okay.
Let's get started.
Shouldn't take too long, hopefully. So we bought pre-mixed cement, so we don't have to bring cement and sand.
Yeah.
Try not to break it. And we have gotten water, since we don't have water in the apartment. Plus we got a bucket, we got the mixer, we got a power bank. So we decided to mix everything down here, so we don't have to bring everything upstairs, because otherwise it's stupid. So if we have to bring like the cement up, the power bank, everything, so, and we're gonna maybe make a bit of a mess. So here it doesn't really matter. Okay, mix it a little bit, because I don't think we need so much.
Yeah, that's my point.
I mean, if we mix too much, we just bring it home.
Something like that.
Something like that, yeah. Like, I get the water. Why did you bring 2 water jugs?
I have no idea.
What were you planning to mix?
Just in case.
I
Sure,
guess.
actually 2 water jugs I think is like a whole cement mixer now. If not even 1 jug is a cement mixer. Okay, let's mix.
I think that's pretty good. Plus, you know what I realized? If we would have done that upstairs, we would have turned deaf. Because the echo in the building, I don't think that would be the nicest. Okay, now we just have to carry 1 bucket.
And bricks.
And bricks, because the hole is a bit too big. Oh my goodness.
This was some real bad cement.
Maybe that take off. I don't know, is it gonna stay?
It's stuck to the fabric. It did harden up quite a bit. I don't think I need it anywhere near as much as we made.
That is very good already. The pipe's a bit of a struggle. Extra difficulty level.
Yeah.
Good that we are experts on cementing. Imagine if we did not know how to do that. Oof. Is this for like self-defense? Like if someone comes in the house, you just throw them against the wall or something?
Oversized.
And we forgot to bring something to cut them with. We might be cutting them or just attaching something there so they're not so dangerous.
Hide them, yeah.
Hide them a bit.
So, as you can see, we are done. Everything is plastered, and we did also the cement on the bigger holes, and the corners looking much better as well. Pretty much kind of restore them back to being a corner, and the hole is closed, so that is really good. And now the next step will be to paint, primer, and then paint it and have it a lot more beautiful than now. So we are gonna see you in that next video whenever we continue on and make this hallway look beautiful again. It's kind of looking a bit like a mess, but it's soon gonna change.
And we have some ideas for...
Yes, there's gonna be a bit of like...
something special.
Hope you enjoyed, and I can see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
That is the wrong exit. Ooh, you look creepy through that glass. You look like E.T. Go a bit more back. You look like E.T. or something. Yes, you look like E.T. E.T. go home. Point your finger. E.T. go home. You do look like E.T. You look like an alien.
E.T. went home. Okay, back to work.